Hi guys and welcome. This is me, JP Rose, singing vegan mom. How are you all doing? Now before I get into the recipe this week, what I thought we could do, if you are like me, I always do my Christmas cake well late. So what I thought we could do before we get into today's recipe is soak our fruit now, yeah? Now I actually do always have quite a lot of fruit soaking in my jars. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to top it up. I've got some lovely mixed raisins here. Woohoo! Yeah. My mum, she uses ruby wine. Now other people use rum and all kinds of other alcohol, but I use ruby wine like my mum does. Oh, before I get into this recipe in any big way, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so I put my fruit in my lovely jar, and then I'm just literally going to continue to soak it up. Now a lot of people think it's a real waste. I don't drink alcohol, so it's not a waste for me. I'm going to leave that to sit for a week or two, and I'm going to come back to this recipe. Then we're going to make our gluten-free vegan Christmas cake. We will be ready. So guys, now for this week's recipe. First of all, earlier this week I made some chickpea balls. Just try. In fact, that's quite good, Anaya, that you threw the balloon in my face. It was my boy's birthday. He was 12 this week.
Thursday.
On Thursday, he was 12. Could you stop that, please? And so we made chocolate cake, but I've made chocolate cake a couple of times. All right, I'm doing the video. Thank you for doing the homework. So I've already made chocolate cake, quite a lot, vegan chocolate cake. So check out my, I need to see your homework before you go, mister.
No, I said I did exemplar.
Okay. I've made a vegan chocolate cake, but I've made it quite a lot. So if you check out my old recipes, you'll see that how I made my vegan chocolate cake. So watch to the very end. You'll see birthday celebrations for my son. Could you be quiet, please? But earlier, before the birthday, I did chickpea balls with tomato sauce. Everything went into the blender. I had to make the sauce. Everything went into the blender to make the chickpea balls. Delicious. As a busy working mom, sometimes you just don't have the time to do the long, beautiful process. So this week it's two recipes. I have made my chickpea balls with tomato sauce, and then on Friday I made crunchy roasted tofu with mashed plantain. I made a lovely gravy or sauce out of onions, garlic and thyme. Oh, it was very delicious. So guys, let's get into it. Don't forget to watch to the very end where you can see what I've been up to, birthdays and all that sort of stuff. I'm going to make the quickest tomato sauce ever. It's sacrilege, I know you're going to tell me that. This is some veg stock, some chopped garlic, peppers, onions and fresh tomatoes. They're not the right size tomatoes, but I've got loads of these tomatoes. They're all going to go in here and they're going to go zzzz. So now I'm going to make the balls. I've got tahini. I've just put some chickpeas in here, and then I've seasoned it quickly. This is all very quick. Also, I had a lot of sauce, so I used some of the sauce. This is very unconventional, and I've seasoned it with things like cumin, turmeric. I don't have any, and some sea salt. I don't have any coriander, so I'm going to have to skip that one today. So I'm going to add extra cumin just to give it some vibes, and so there's some mixed herbs in here as well. So guys, 2 hour chickpea solution. I'm adding some chickpea flour. I'm going to mix it so it becomes a ball. Can't remember if I put any herbs in. You can never have too many herbs, so I'm going to put some herbs in. It's really coming together, guys. Lovely. And now put it in the pan. if we look, our sauce is reduced, looking lovely. Ready for the oven, guys. So I've just turned them around. Is very plain today. It's just boiled potatoes, but they're baby potatoes. Oh, do that again. Boiled potato. He loves his broccoli, and then this is from Aldi actually. It's no cheese bake thing with sweet corn. Pie, and of course, you know he likes things separate, so it's the same as that, but it has to be all in separate bowls. He's got a thing. And then this is me, steamed plantain, beetroots, tomatoes, yeah, deliciousness, yeah. I'm really sorry, it's a plain dinner. Sometimes I feel like plain food, no gravy. No, you don't even like saucy things, Kyan.
Yeah, I want it to at least be like
crunchy.
Yeah.
Right, Kyan likes crunchy things. He doesn't like saucy, creamy things. But crunchy, so he's telling me I should have roasted the potatoes or something. But no, you like it like that, don't you, baby?
Yeah.
And Naya likes it. So you've got two different kinds of children. They like different things. And my plate is just healthy. I'm trying to lose my tummy. You notice I've got a tummy, boys?
Fatty.
My child's calling me a fatty. Did you see that? That little one, the little one. You get me? Birthday boy. Your birthday is
3 days.
3 days on Thursday. I actually don't know what I'm going to do for your birthday. What do I buy for you, Kyan? I know you like all Adidas and Nike. I'm not really into Adidas and Nike.
Right, so I can't.
He doesn't. I don't believe in Adidas and Nike and all that name brand thing.
But do you not like me because of that?
Of course I like you. Why I'll stop liking my child because you like Adidas and Nike? What kind of foolishness is that? I love you no matter what. So anyway, I think that's what happens when they start to get to 12. They want name brand. He wants a scooter, but that's £300. So
it's electric scooter.
An electric scooter, yeah, it's 300 quid. Mummy ain't getting that. But. Morning, everybody. Tuesday morning, I think. My car's not working, So it's been fixed. Dad dropped the kids to school today, which is good. So I'm out early for my run. It's mild out here, it's not cold. Well, because I don't like the cold, I wrap myself up, and then as soon as I come out now, I'm boiling. Delicious?
Because everyone loves a bargain.
Not delicious. Amazing.
Amazing! My youngest has to eat in the living room because the oldest is in the dining room doing with his tutor. And my child just said, my food is amazing. You see how quickly I made it? I made it so quickly. I'm on the stairs talking to you because my child's got his tutor. The other one's in the living room watching TV. Don't want to do that. And I'm trying the balls. Oh dear. So hi guys, it's not great. Right, let's be clear.
Great.
It's dinner time.
What kind?
And Kyan decided to start having a conversation. It's his birthday tomorrow about a present.
My birthday present.
Yeah, your birthday present. That can wait. We're in the middle of dinner. It's time. My food's getting cold. I don't like cold food, so I got annoyed. So Kyan, I'm sorry I shouted. You got to pray first, yeah. Kyan, listen, Kyan, I'm sorry I shouted at you, but next time don't start a conversation until after our dinner. It's not that important. Lovely. And Maya's helping me with the cake. Some vanilla, well done. Then put the lid back on, please. That's it, good. Right, now put that teaspoon in the cake, please, sir. Oops. Wonderful. Just a little bit, that's it. Alright, so now we're mixing it. Chocolate cake is on the way.
Like this? Could I do it like that?
Yeah. Side of vinegar. But when the cake cooks and it's in sugar, you won't taste it.
3,
2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Three kisses. So we have a helper. Afua is helping making the cake. Master at work. Look at Afua. She just knows what she's doing. Good girl. Don't squeeze too hard. That's it. And then take the paper off. No, that's it. Do it that way. We're going to do it flat.
I know you can't rip it over like a big birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kyan. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this week. It's been a very busy week this week. Doing lots and bits and pieces. I hope you enjoyed my food. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Guys, guess what? For healthy vegan options, I'm your girl. I'm your girl.